about to do dog hair removal in this BMW. And it's pretty excessive. I do charge an upcharge depending how bad it is, and this one I'm charging $50 extra on my package. And I'm gonna be trying these 3 brushes. I got the Lily brush, the Aniline, and the little rubber brush. Let's see which one works best on this. I'm gonna try this brush first. Let's try this Lily brush. Okay, this Lily brush works really good. Alright, let's try this one. Alright, just finished this dog hair removal on this BMW. Got 99.9% of the hair out. I recommend that Lily brush.